Need to send multiple files in an email, save storage space, or extract files you have downloaded? In this video, I will show you how to zip and unzip files on your Mac using the built-in tools in macOS. You won't need to install any extra software. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what a zip file is. A zip file is a compressed folder that combines one or more files into a single package. This makes files easier to share, upload, and store. Once someone receives the zip file, they can extract or unzip it to access the original contents. Now let's see how to create one on your Mac. First, locate the file you would like to compress. Right-click on the file. If you're using a MacBook trackpad, you can right-click with two-finger click or by holding the Control key while clicking. From the menu, choose Compress followed by the file's name. macOS immediately creates a zip file in the same folder. You will notice that the new file has the same name but ends with .zip. That's it. You can also combine several files into one zip archive. Hold down the Command key while clicking each file you want to include. Once they are selected, right-click on any of the highlighted files. Choose Compress. macOS creates a single zip archive containing everything you selected. This is especially useful when sending multiple documents, photos, or videos. Compressing a folder is just as easy. Locate the folder, right-click it, select Compress Folder Name, and a zip file containing the entire folder is created automatically. The original folder remains untouched. Opening a zip file is even easier. Simply double-click the zip file. macOS automatically extracts its contents into a new folder in the same location. No additional software is required. You can now open the extracted files like any other document. By default, macOS extracts zip files into the same folder where the zip file is located. For example, if your zip file is in the Downloads folder, the extracted folder will also appear in Downloads. If a zip file doesn't extract correctly, try these quick fixes. First, make sure the download completed successfully. If the zip file came from the internet, try downloading it again. You should also confirm that the file isn't corrupted. If the archive was created using a different compression format, you may need a third-party utility such as the Unarchiver or Keka. Fortunately, standard zip files work perfectly with macOS. Before sending a zip archive, you may want to check its size. Right-click the zip file, choose Get Info. Here you will see the compressed file size along with other useful information. This is useful when emailing files with attachment size limits. And that's how you can zip and unzip files on your Mac using the built-in features in macOS. As you can see, creating and extracting zip files only takes a few clicks and doesn't require any additional apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Mac, iPhone, iPad and Apple tutorials. Thanks for watching.